Following the setback of a Russian offensive, a Ukrainian drone relentlessly pursued an armored vehicle, attempting to navigate through the remnants of previously failed defensive actions, with the vehicle accelerating at its highest speed, potentially anticipating the looming threat of being targeted by Ukraine's military. It failed to notice a clearly laid minefield along the road, which had been exploited in past attacks, strategically placed by Ukrainian forces to obstruct or impede any subsequent offensives from that direction. The armored vehicle, moving at an estimated speed of 40 to 50 kmph, inadvertently ran over the concealed mines. The resulting impact forced the vehicle off the road, amplifying the losses and further depleting resources available for future engagements.